Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 28 of 100-Day Code of the Programming Zone. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Today, we're diving into the world of Python and Tkinter, where we'll unlock the secrets of buttons. That's right, those clickable little things that make apps come alive. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned pro, stick around to learn how to add buttons to your Tkinter projects and make them do awesome things. Let's get started. Creating your first button step-by-step guide. 1. Importing the toolkit. Import Tkinter as TK. 2. Setting up the window. Root equals tk.tk. The code snippet above shows the creation of a new instance of the TK class from the Tkinter module in Python. The root window is required in every Tkinter project as it serves as the base or foundation of the GUI. Once the root window is created, it can be configured with various properties such as its size, title, background color, and other visual attributes. Developers can then add other widgets such as buttons, labels, text boxes, and others to the root window using the different layout managers provided by Tkinter. Root.titleMyButtonApp. In this simple application, we will create a button that can be clicked by the user. Root.titleMyButtonApp gives a name to your window, like putting a sign on your house that says welcome. 3. Making the button. Button equals TK button root, text equals click me, font equals Arial, 14, BG equals light blue. This is where you actually craft the button. It's like picking up a hammer and nails to build a door. TK button root says, hey Tkinter, make a button and put it in our main window. Text equals click me is like painting a sign on the button that says click me. Font equals Arial, 14 chooses a nice font and size for the text, like picking a fancy doorknob. BG equals light blue paints the button a light blue color, like giving your door a fresh coat of paint. 4. Positioning the button. Button.packPady equals 20. This places the button neatly within the window, like hanging the door in its frame. Button.pack is a common way to arrange things in Tkinter, like using a level to make sure everything's straight. Pady equals 20 adds a bit of space around the button, like adding a welcome mat in front of your door. 5. Keeping the app running. Root.mainLoop. The main loop function in Python is used to initiate the main event loop of the graphical user interface that detects and responds to user inputs. It is crucial for creating interactive programs that allow real-time user interactions, and without it, the program would become unresponsive. As soon as you run the code, a new window will pop up on your screen. This is the main window of your app, created by Tkinter. The title of the window will be My Button App, as specified in the code. Inside the window, you'll see buttons, with its own unique features, text, click me, font, Arial, size 14, background color, light blue, position, top of the window, with some padding around it. While these buttons aren't yet programmed to do anything specific when clicked, they are fully interactive elements. Alright everyone, that wraps up our video on adding buttons to your Tkinter apps. Now go forth and sprinkle those clickable gems into your projects. But remember, buttons are just one piece of the puzzle. What good is a button without something to click on? In our next video, we'll dive into the world of input fields in Tkinter. We'll show you how to capture user input, from simple text boxes to fancy drop-down menus. Get ready to unleash the power of two-way communication in your Python apps. So, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for our next Tkinter adventure. Until then, happy coding.